Rockstar, welcome back to my channel. I am back with a piece of eye-opening information for you. Now you might be thinking, why are we talking about failures today? Because failures are an important part of our life, especially when you want to be successful. It is like a rainbow. You cannot produce rainbow without rain. Similarly, you cannot produce success without failures. Learning from failures is important, but it is also equally important to learn about reasons or habits that we have either inbuilt or we make that brings failures. So let's talk about such habits or mistakes and figure out what are the things that we should not do to achieve success faster. So let's begin. Millions of people are desperately trying to get that change or improvement in their lives, and many of them are working towards that change in themselves, their work, their education, relationship, family, life, and in all other facets that one columns as an individual. But the question is, why do people still fail after spending hours staying motivated to change their lives? Because what people do is they search for motivational videos, attend webinars, do courses, or find such platforms somehow and go visit to learn, to seek knowledge, and then even after doing all these, they end up backing out and going back to their ugly lives. So here are a couple of reasons I think and have associated with many individuals why many individuals do not usually get the change they seek in themselves or their doings. One thing that will keep you away from your success is your unwillingness to change. Every individual develops their comfort zone in their daily routine or lifestyle, which is just way too comfortable that people don't want to seek change or discomfort, not even for a second. People would rather stay unfit and unhealthy than work out a while to improve their health. People want to be comfortable in their so dreaded life, and they would rather suffer and smile than break the chain and be truly free to achieve a greater lifestyle. When you are not willing to work hard to change, to get out of your comfort zone, or to sacrifice your short-term leisure for the long-term gain, you will never be successful. I guess it is the time now when you need to question yourself. Am I happy with the life I am living now? Or maybe I can upgrade and take my life to the next level. And if you answer that you need more success, you need to achieve your goals, you need to upgrade your life, then it is the time to make a change. So another reason that brings failure is people are lazy. Every individual wants success, a lavish lifestyle, and all the good things that fall under their dream life package. But they are not willing to put in the efforts. And not putting in the efforts is the reason people are not achieving their goals. Lazy people have many excuses, and their excuses are much bigger than their goals. And I have seen people wasting the entire time and doing a little bit job and then saying, well, I am not that lazy. I am giving my efforts towards my goals. Then my answer to such individuals is, doing half the job is equal to not doing it at all. So stop being lazy and work towards your goals. So another reason that brings failures is blaming others or the situations. We are the creators of our own story. Whatever is happening with us, we created it on our own. But what we actually do is we blame others or the situations. We often forget our own flaws and try to keep ourselves safe. Yes, sometimes life gets rough, but blaming the situations won't help. If you are not happy with your situation, then put your energy to create a new story for you. Sometimes people in our surroundings do things that seem to annoy, hurt, and anger us. But understand, they are just doing their thing. And no matter who they are, their thing isn't to make sure you are happy. That is our own job. It is our own job to manage our feelings and to choose what we are going to think. So start thinking positive, stop blaming others, and chase your goals. So another reason is fear of failure or self-doubt. Doubt is a demon that tells you loudly, you cannot do it, you won't be able to. But somewhere in your head, your positive self speaks softly, you can do it, you can achieve it. So, What you have to do is make that positive voice louder than the demeaning voice of negativity. Now, what happens when you try to fill your mind with a positive thought? Another evil comes up, that is your fear, and starts reminding you all the past bad experiences. Your fear starts questioning you. Do you remember how you failed before? Remember how painful it was? How much you got hurt? What if you fail again? Don't try. Do you want to go through all the pain again? Remember, always listen to your positive self. You do not need to pay attention to those voices within you that create pain or make you feel less competent, smart, or able. Shakespeare said, "Our doubts are traitors and make us lose the good we oft might win by fearing to attempt." So moving on to the another reason, no growth mindset. 90% of people live an average lifestyle. Only 10% of people reach their goals or become successful. The primary reason for the success of a successful person is their growth mindset. They never settle for less or average. Desiring or wanting to be successful without having a growth mindset is something like which is next to impossible. You need to change your mindset. You can never bring success with an average mindset. Ask yourself, what do you want to do with your life? Are you willing to fail? What do you want? Are you willing to change your life and do whatever it takes to? Or you want to do what is convenient and live the average life? You need to learn from Hernan Cortes. Do you know what he did? He ordered his men to burn down their own ships so that they have no escape but to win the battle and take the island. So burn all the excuses or reasons that keep you away from your success. Take the challenge, develop your mindset, and start your hustle. So moving on to the another reason, improper goal setting. Well, I have a question for you. Two teams are playing football in a football ground. Tell me which team will win. Obviously, the one which makes the highest goals. Similarly, only those people win in life who set goals for themselves. 80% of people never set goals for themselves, and 20% of people who do set goals, out of them only 1% of people succeed in achieving their goals. Rest doesn't reach their goals because they do improper planning. Goal setting is an art, so stay tuned for the exact goal setting process coming soon. So now, if you are doing any of these mistakes, then you are bringing more failure and eliminating the success of your life. But when you start eliminating these mistakes, the magic begins. Do you know how? Have a look. These are the 5 most famous failures. Number 1. Oprah Winfrey. The talk show host says there is no such thing as a failure. Failure is just life trying to move us away in another direction. Number 2. Steve Jobs. Apple's visionary says, if I try my best and fail, well, I have tried my best. Number 3. J.K. Rowling, author of Harry Potter, says, failure meant a stripping away from the essential. I stopped pretending to myself that I was anything other than what I was and began to direct all my energy into finishing the only work that mattered to me. Number 4. Michael Jordan, the greatest basketball player, says, I missed more than 9,000 shots in my career. I have lost almost 300 games. 26 times I have been trusted to take the game-winning shot and missed. I have failed over and over and over again in my life, and that is why I succeed. Number 5. Albert Einstein, the famous physicist, says, I have tried 99 times and failed, but on the 100th time came success. Isn't it amazing? We all do mistakes, we all fail, and we all learn. The magic lies in eliminating our fears, overcoming bad habits, developing a growth mindset, and chasing our goals. So, start eliminating negatives and bring in positives. I hope you liked the video. Let me know your views in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to channel and hit the bell icon because as you know, I will be coming with more videos that you surely can't afford to miss. See you soon. Until next time, stay safe, take care.